How to clean install Windows 11 without an internet connection. Is your Windows 11 PC bogged down with issues and you need a fresh start but don't have an internet connection? This video will show you how to perform a clean install of Windows 11 without an internet connection. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding a clean install, what it is and why you need it. A clean install of Windows 11 removes your existing operating system, files, and settings, installing a fresh copy of Windows 11. This method is essential for resolving malware infections, removing bloatware, and fixing software issues, essentially restoring your computer to a pristine state. Essential preparations for an offline Windows 11 install. Before you begin, ensure your PC meets Windows 11 system requirements. Here's what you'll need: a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, the media creation tool, and the Windows 11 ISO file. Remember that it's important to back up all essential data, as a clean install will erase your system drive. Finally, configure your BIOS/UEFI settings. Enable Secure Boot. Enable TPM 2.0. Intel PTT/AMD FTPM. Set your USB drive as the primary boot device. Step-by-step offline Windows 11 installation process. Let's go through the initial installation process. Insert your bootable USB drive and restart your computer, entering the boot menu by pressing F12, F8, or Escape depending on your device, and select the USB drive. The Windows Setup Wizard will launch. Select your language and time format, then click Next, Install Now. Enter your product key or click I don't have a product key to activate later. Select the edition of Windows 11 that matches your license, Home or Pro. On the partition screen, select and delete all existing partitions to create unallocated space, then proceed with the installation. Do not remove the USB drive until this clean install of Windows 11 is complete. Post-installation setup and activation. After you clean install Windows 11, configure your region and keyboard layout. You can create an offline user account if you're not connecting to the internet immediately. Once connected, remember to install updates and drivers via Windows Update and activate your Windows 11 copy. If you face issues like missing drives during installation, load the necessary storage drivers. For secure boot or TPM errors, enable these in your BIOS/UEFI settings. If Windows fails to activate after you clean install Windows 11 without an internet connection, connect to the internet, verify your product key, or use the activation troubleshooter. A clean install of Windows 11 offers a reliable way to restore your system to a pristine, factory fresh, and optimized state. It effectively solves various issues and prepares a device for new use. With the right preparation and attentiveness to each step, your offline installation will be straightforward and problem-free. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to clean install Windows 11 without an internet connection, linked in the description below.